In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable private mode in Grok AI. Easy setup 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. Once you're on the site, you're in the right place to access the Grok AI chat interface. If you have a Grok or X account, go ahead and log in. This part is optional, but it's helpful because signing in can save your progress and certain preferences as you use Grok. If you prefer to try private mode without logging in, you can still follow along. Just know that some settings may not persist between sessions. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat interface front and center. This is where you start conversations, enter prompts, and manage chat controls. To enable private mode, look to the top right corner of the chat window for a button labeled Private, usually shown with a small ghost icon. Click or tap that button. When private mode is on, Grok will let you know with a clear on-screen indicator, so you can be confident it's enabled before you continue. Here's what private mode means in practice. Your current chat won't appear in your history, and the content of that chat won't be used to train models. It's designed for moments when you want extra privacy for sensitive prompts or testing. In addition, information from private chats is generally deleted from XAI systems within 30 days. Keep in mind that policies can evolve, so always review the on-screen notice or the current privacy policy for the most accurate details. If you want to go back to the regular experience, simply click the same private button again to exit private mode. There are also broader privacy controls you can manage outside the chat. In your X account, open Settings and Privacy, then go to Privacy and Safety, then Data Sharing and Personalization, and select Grok. From there, you can opt out of allowing your interactions to be used for training. You can also make your X account private, which further limits how your data is shared within the Grok ecosystem. These controls work alongside private mode to give you more say over your data. With private mode turned on, you can start typing in the chat box as usual. Try your prompt, review the response, and continue your session, knowing it won't be saved to your history. When you're done, you can toggle private mode off if you want to resume your standard chat experience. That's it. Simple, quick, and secure.